Have you ever pondered about the significance of craftsmanship and dedication in our lives? In our world of fleeting moments and rapid change, the value of devotion to a craft, the slow and steady honing of skill, often gets overlooked. But let's pause for a moment and think about this. Consider the beauty and satisfaction that comes from seeing a piece of work evolve from raw material to a finished product under the guidance of skilled hands and a dedicated heart. Today we embark on a journey that takes us into the life of a carpenter. This is not just a profession, not merely a means to an end. Carpentry is an art, a testament to the human capacity for creation, shaped by passion and dedication. The carpenter's journey is one of relentless pursuit of mastery over a craft that has stood the test of time. Picture this, a carpenter's workshop filled with the smell of fresh wood, the rhythmic sound of chisel against grain, the soft rustle of hands shaping, smoothing, creating. This is more than a workplace, it's a sanctuary where raw material slowly finds form and purpose. In the carpenter's hands, a simple piece of wood transforms into something of beauty and utility. This transformation is not a quick process, it requires patience, precision, and a keen eye for detail. It is a journey that unfolds over time, marked by trials and triumphs, challenges and victories. Every piece of work bears the carpenter's mark, the imprint of their journey, the echo of their story. As we delve into the life of a carpenter, we uncover that every chisel and every stroke is a testament to their journey. Each piece they create is not just a product, but a reflection of their passion, dedication, and craftsmanship. This journey, this craft, is a powerful metaphor for life itself. It inspires us to shape our own lives with the same dedication and passion, to find our craft and master it, to create our own testament to the journey that is life. Every master was once a beginner, and our carpenter's tale starts no differently. In the humble beginnings of our carpenter's journey, there was nothing more than an unyielding fascination with woodwork. The early life of our craftsman was marked by an insatiable curiosity, a yearning to understand the nature of wood, its textures, its potential. This fascination was not born overnight, it was a slow-burning flame, kindled by a simple piece of pine or the intricate grain of oak. From a young age, our carpenter was entranced by the transformative power of carpentry, how a simple, raw piece of timber could be shaped, morphed, and crafted into something functional, something beautiful. This fascination soon turned into a dream to master the craft of woodworking. The journey began with bare hands, a modest set of tools, and a heart full of determination. Our carpenter was not born into grandeur or privilege, but started from humble beginnings. The initial steps were filled with trials and errors, countless splinters, and many a broken piece of wood. But with every misstep, there was learning, growth, and an unwavering resolve to improve. As the days turned into months and the months into years, our carpenter's hands became more adept, the strokes more confident. The once daunting pieces of timber started to yield under the skilled hands of our craftsmen, transforming into the works of art, each one a testament to the carpenter's journey. It's important to remember that this journey was not just about mastering a craft, but about shaping a life. Every piece of wood that was chiseled, every furniture that was crafted, was a reflection of the carpenter's dedication, passion, and love for the craft. The journey of a carpenter is not just a journey of skill acquisition, but a journey of self-discovery, of finding one's purpose, and of carving out one's own path in life. In every artisan's journey, the first step is always the most challenging, yet the most significant. Turning raw wood into a piece of art requires more than just skill. It demands passion and dedication. This is the essence of a carpenter's journey towards mastery. Imagine a simple block of wood. To the uninitiated, it's just that, a block. But to the carpenter, it's a world of possibilities. Each journey towards mastery begins with this simple realization. The block of wood is not a constraint, but an invitation to create, to transform, to breathe life into something static and unformed. But This journey isn't a walk in the park, it's a path laden with challenges. There are days when the chisel slips, when the wood splinters in ways it shouldn't, when the envisioned design seems impossible to carve into reality. These are the moments that test a carpenter's mettle. It's in these trials that the grit and determination of a carpenter are forged. Learning never stops in the workshop. With each piece of wood shaped, the carpenter gains a deeper understanding of the material, of the tools, of the craft itself. Each project is a new lesson, each challenge an opportunity to grow, to refine their skills, to push the boundaries of what they can create. And then there's the satisfaction, the indescribable joy of seeing a block of wood transformed into a piece of art, the pride in knowing that their hands, their skill, their dedication made it possible. This satisfaction is the fuel that drives a carpenter to take on the next project, to tackle the next challenge, to continue on the journey towards mastery. Every cut, every chip, every smooth curve, and every intricate detail etched into the wood is a testament to this journey. Each piece of wood shaped is not just a product, but a story of passion, of dedication, of countless hours spent honing skills and overcoming challenges. With every piece of wood shaped, the carpenter doesn't just create a product, but a piece of their soul. And that, dear listeners, is the true essence of a carpenter's journey towards mastery. In a world of instant gratification, what can a carpenter teach us about patience and precision? Let's ponder on that. Carpentry is not just about hammers and nails, it's a symphony of patience and precision. Every piece of wood is a blank canvas waiting to be transformed into a masterpiece. But this transformation is not immediate. It's a slow, meticulous process, one that requires a carpenter's full attention and dedication. Patience is a carpenter's virtue. It's waiting for the right piece of wood, the right grain, the right texture. It's about understanding that no two pieces of wood are the same, and each requires a unique approach. It's about knowing that rushing through a project can lead to mistakes, and that these mistakes can be costly. Patience is about accepting that good things take time. Precision, on the other hand, is a carpenter's skill. It's about making sure that every cut, every joint, every finish is just right. It's about understanding that even a millimeter off can make a difference. It's about knowing that precision is not just about accuracy, it's about consistency. Precision is about crafting something that not only looks good but also lasts. But how can we apply these values in our everyday life? Well, just like a carpenter waits for the right piece of wood, we can learn to wait for the right opportunities. Just like a carpenter ensures precision in his work, we can strive to be precise in our actions, in our words, in our decisions. We can learn to slow down, to pay attention to the details, to be more mindful. In the grand scheme of things, we can learn to appreciate the process and not just the end product. We can learn to value the journey and not just the destination. We can learn to understand that success, like carpentry, is a result of patience and precision. In the hands of a skilled carpenter, time stands still and the impossible becomes possible. So let's take a leaf out of the carpenter's book. Let's embrace the art of patience and precision. After all, we are all carpenters in our own way, shaping our lives one day at a time. The journey of a carpenter is more than just about woodwork. It's about crafting life itself. In the world of carpentry, every piece of wood has a story. It begins as a raw, unshaped entity, full of potential. As the carpenter's hands glide over the wood, they're not just shaping an object, they're breathing life into a vision, turning possibility into reality. This process is much like the journey we all embark on in life. We start as raw potential, and through our actions, our decisions, and our experiences, we shape ourselves into the people we become. The carpenter's journey is a testament to the power of dedication. Each day they return to their craft, honing their skills, refining their techniques, and overcoming challenges. They dedicate countless hours to mastering their craft, driven by an unwavering love for what they do. This is a lesson we can all learn from. In our own lives, no matter what our passions or pursuits may be, it's through dedication and hard work that we can truly excel. But the carpenter's journey isn't just about hard work. It's also about creativity, about seeing the beauty in the grain of the wood, and envisioning what it could become. It's about patience, taking the time to get every detail just right. It's about resilience, not giving up when a project doesn't go as planned. These are the values that truly define a craftsman, and these are the values that can guide us in our own lives. helping us to live with purpose, to strive for excellence, and to never stop growing. In the end, the journey of a carpenter is a powerful metaphor for life. It reminds us that we are the craftsmen of our own destinies. With passion, dedication, and craftsmanship, we have the power to shape our lives into something truly remarkable. Just like a carpenter shapes wood, we too have the power to shape our lives with passion, dedication, and craftsmanship.